Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros, and today I'm gonna help you find the best budget peripherals on Amazon using an app called Keepa. If you're not sure what Keepa is, check out this video right here where I go into detail and how to install Keepa. So let's get right into it and find those good deals. Starting off with the mic, we got the classic, the Logitech Blue Yeti. This one's pretty old at this point, but it's still a valid option if you're looking to get into content creating on a budget. For $88, this is actually a pretty good price right now. Starting at the beginning of the year, it looks like it was just under 100, and then it has spikes. So right now, if you wanted to get a budget microphone, the Blue Yeti is at a good price right now, and I would definitely get it. Coming in at number 2, we're definitely gonna need a gaming monitor. Now, there is so many options, and it's hard to pick and choose what the best option might be for budget, but this is a good overall budget option here that would probably check a lot of boxes for a lot of people. I do have a second option in 1440p that I'll show you in a second too, but for $130, 1080p, 240 hertz, which is a bit overkill, I'm not gonna lie. It has fluctuated in price quite a bit, and usually these monitors do. So that is why Keepa is important when shopping for stuff like this, because the prices will always fluctuate. You want to make sure you're not buying on a high. And for the 1440p option, just for a little bit more, and it is curved, right now is the lowest price it has been all year. We love curved monitors in the office, and we use them especially for gaming, content creation. This is a good option, and in that budget range, still pretty good. Next up, of course, we're going to need a keyboard mouse. This is another one where it fluctuates in price quite a bit, but I found that when you bundle the mouse and the keyboard, it might not be the highest quality ones, but it does get the job done, and we like wireless ones here. Keeps the cable management clean. $32 is super low, and if you're just trying to get all the peripherals together, you're trying to get budget set up and just want to get into PC gaming now, this is a great option, and then down the road you can upgrade down the line, because for $32 this is not too bad. And we can't forget about the gaming desk. I have chosen this L-shaped desk because I feel like most gamers want room to upgrade. We're all rocking double, triple monitor here in the office, so this gives you the ability to grow, get better stuff, and it's not bottlenecking you down to a smaller desk. And obviously standing desk and stuff like that will be more expensive, so as far as a budget setup, this is what I went with, and right now it is extremely low price. It is very hard to find a desk like this for $75. This does look a little bit harder to build, but I'm sure once it's built and put together, I mean, look at that gaming room right there. That's pretty awesome. And to finish off our budget setup, we're gonna need some sound. I have a budget headphones option and a budget speaker option for $50. These are at a very low price. These have fluctuated within $10 of this price right now, but for me personally, sound and monitor are the two things that I like to do a little bit of extra research on and make sure I'm getting something at least good quality and an enjoyable experience, because if you don't have the sound and the monitor right, your overall budget PC experience is just going to suffer. So that's why I went with the name brand, the Steel Series here. Now, if you are more of a speaker person and don't really like wearing headphones long term, I definitely get it. I definitely would not go with the cheap USB speakers. I would go with something more like this that will sound a lot better. Sometimes those cheap $30 speakers really just spent most of that money on RGB. And in my experience, I don't really enjoy USB speakers. They just sound crackly and kind of bad. Like, I would never buy this. Something like this is going on a limited time deal, and right now is a low price for the year. Looks like it dropped down about just a few dollars. I feel like these will last you a lot longer than getting cheap USB speakers. And that way, when you upgrade down the line with that L-shaped desk and all the other peripherals that I showed you in the video, you'll be rocking a pretty awesome budget setup. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any great deals that you have found on Amazon this way, let me know in the description below. Also, what budget PC setup are you rocking? What is your favorite part of your budget setup?